First National is a Fortune 500 financial services firm that develops custom applications for its insurance and banking operations. During a monthly review meeting, Susan, the Vice President of the Insurance Business Unit, is meeting with Paul, the Vice President of Application Development. Susan wants to know the latest status of the Clarius insurance application. Before they started using Serena, First National struggled with releasing applications on time. Paul especially had a difficult time providing accurate release information to First National's business unit because his IT organization had a whole slew of different systems, processes, teams, and partners scattered around the world. Susan and her colleagues lacked any real-time visibility into the releases they cared about, and they were often surprised by what was eventually delivered into production. With Serena, First National's application lifecycle management processes, or ALM, have been turned around. Serena now helps orchestrate the entire application development and delivery process from request to release. Instead of trying to consolidate all their development information through a large, protracted, and expensive data warehouse project, First National can use Serena to orchestrate the flow of development information and metrics across all their stakeholders. Let's see how Serena helps. Instead of trying to pull information from his team's different systems, Paul and Susan can just review aggregated development information in their Orchestrated ALM dashboard. Paul and Susan can see development information that comes from Serena products like Dimensions CM and Dimensions RM, as well as all their other development systems like HP Quality Center or Hudson. In this case, they can see information like project status and deployment frequency. They can also review process metrics like defect closure rate or project stage duration to identify any bottlenecks in the development process. Susan wants to see more detailed information on the Clarius project, so Paul simply clicks on the project to see detailed metrics like release schedules, test coverage, and test priorities. By seeing these real-time metrics, Susan can be instantly assured that the project is right on track. Paul can also show Susan what the new Clarius application looks like. Instead of trawling through reams of Word documents, he simply opens up Serena's requirements definition product called Prototype Composer and shows her a high-quality model of the new application that development has created from her customers' feedback. Paul can also see more details on whether the original customer requirements are really being delivered. He can use Dimensions RM to see full traceability between the customer requests to the development work items in Dimensions CM to the test cases in HP Quality Center. Paul and Susan can easily review what's next in the development process for the Clarius application. They can quickly see the entire end-to-end lifecycle for the project. In this case, they can see the Clarius app is at the release approval stage. But knowing the next step is just part of what Susan needs to understand. She really needs to know how long it will take the new application to be released. Once again, she can take a look at the Orchestrated ALM dashboard. Right away, she can see how long the application has been in development and the quality metrics showing the release is in good shape. In just a few minutes, Paul has shown Susan that the Clarius project is going smoothly, and she can tell her customers what and when to expect. With Serena, First National can rest assured that they can release all their apps with confidence. In addition to orchestrating their end-to-end application delivery processes, Serena provides an orchestrated ALM dashboard that helps them easily see aggregated development information and metrics from across all their different tools, teams, and processes.